Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to the English class. Today we'll be starting with the fourth lesson from English Balbharti textbook, Unit 1, Know Each Other. Now, this before we begin with the lesson, we'll just go through the greetings. This is all about the greetings when we meet somebody, how we are supposed to present ourselves or respond to them. Okay, so when we meet our friends, what do we say? Hi, or we say hello, or we say how are you? Is it not? Suppose you meet elders, then many times you're not comfortable saying hi, hello. So what do? You greet them. And now how you greet them? If it is morning, you say good morning. You can say to your friends as well. But to the elders, normally you wish like this. If it is afternoon, you will say good afternoon. If it is evening, you will say good evening. What is the meaning of this? It means that whenever you greet somebody, it depends on the person whom you are greeting. Okay, your greeting will depend on the person whom you are greeting and the situation around you. Okay, that will decide how you are going to greet the other person. Okay, so you cannot greet your teacher just like you greet your friend, or you cannot greet your grandma just like you greet your teacher. Is it not? So, for everybody, the relation which you share is different. In the same way, the greetings will differ. Do you understand? Yes? Chalo, let's see again. Okay, that is when you meet, okay, while leaving. Now you have met somebody, then you have to leave, you have to go. Then what you will say? You will say goodbye, or you can say see you, or good night. When will you say good night? When you are leaving at night, then you will say good night. What else do you say? If you meet your friends, yes, you're very happy when you meet your friend and you will say, nice to meet you. And then how should your friend reply to you? Nice to meet you too. While leaving, many times, if it is Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then it is called a weekend. Weekend. That means week is finished. It is ending. The week is completing over there. So what will happen? You will have holiday on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So they say have a nice weekend. Then sometimes you say take care, and you can also say have a good day. Okay, so these are different type of greetings which we use when we meet people and when we say goodbye to the people. Okay, now we'll start with the lesson. Okay, this little boy, what is his name? Do you know? His name is Soham. And this little girl, her name is Rima. Okay, and this is Soham's mother, and this is Rima's father. Okay, now we will see how these children, these little children, they are just like you, 6 years old. Okay, let us see how they talk to each other, how they greet each other, how they introduce their parents to each other, how they talk with their parents, how they greet them. Okay, we will see this how these little children are doing this. Okay, now look here. This is Soham and she is Rima. So first time they are meeting, so Rima is asking Soham, Hello, what is your name? Okay, because Rima doesn't know who this boy is. So let's see what Soham says. Hello. He also replies the same way. She said hello. So Soham is also saying hello. My name is Soham. Now what is Soham saying again? What is your name? Hmm. So Rima is saying, I am Rima. And she's asking, how old are you? So now let's see what Soham replies. I am 6 years old. Just like you know. Now look who is coming. This is Rima's father. Now let's see what does Rima do. Rima says, good morning. She says good morning to her father, and then she goes on to introduce her father to her new friend Soham. So let's see how she is introducing. This is my father. His name is Ramesh. He is a doctor. So nicely she has introduced. Now let's see. And when the father came, what did she say? Good morning. She wished her father, is it not? Now let's see who else is there. Now the mother has come. Whose mother? Soham's mother. Now let's see what is Soham going to say. Soham says, good morning. Again he has wished his mother also. Now he is introducing his mother to Rima. Let's see what he is saying. This is my mother. Her name is Priya. She is a teacher. So, how nicely the children are talking to each other, you know. So, greetings are very important. Whenever you meet somebody, you have to greet them, you have to be very polite, and you have to respond when somebody greets you. Okay, let us see how you will greet. So, what are the different type of greetings? When you meet somebody in the morning, what would you say? Good morning. If you meet somebody in the afternoon, you would say good afternoon. And if you meet somebody in the evening, you will say good evening. Sometimes you also say hello, hi. And what else? When somebody greets you like that, how will you respond? What will you say? You will say, nice to meet you, glad to meet you, pleased to meet you, it's a pleasure to meet you. So, these are a few responses which you can give. And when you're going away, when you say bye bye, you can say it in different ways, is it not? Like goodbye, bye, bye bye, see you soon, see you later, see you tomorrow, good night. Good night, when will you say? Yes, when it is night, that time only you will say good night. Take care, have a nice day, have a good weekend. So, these are the various ways in which you can say goodbye or you can bid a farewell to the other people. Now, if somebody asks you, how are you? What will you reply? Very well, thank you. Say it with me. Repeat with me. How are you? Say very well, thank you. And what is the other thing you can say? Fine, thank you. Say it again. Fine, thank you. Now, there are some useful expressions. If somebody is helping you, then what will you say? Yes, thank you. Or if they are your friends, you simply say thanks. And when somebody says thank you to you, what will you say? Welcome. Or you can say You are welcome. Now, here are few other expressions which are useful expressions which you can use in your day-to-day life. Okay, suppose you need something from somebody, you should say please. Okay, and if something you have done wrong or by mistake you have done wrong, then you can say sorry. You can also say excuse me. When will you say excuse me? Whenever two people are talking and you want to speak in between, then you will say excuse me. Or if you want a way to go and somebody is standing in the way, then you will say excuse me. And when else do you say excuse me? Whenever you sneeze or cough, that time also you say excuse me, no? And what are other useful expressions? Congratulations. Whenever somebody achieves something good, what do you say? Congratulations. And if you want to wish luck to somebody, then what will you say? Good luck or best of luck. So all these are various expressions which you use in your day-to-day life. You already know them. Just make it a habit of using every day these expressions every day. Now, if you are traveling by an auto rickshaw and if you get down, that time also to the auto rickshaw driver also you say thank you. So you will be having that, you will get that habit of saying thank you, good morning, good afternoon. So start wishing everybody, say politely hello, hi, always say thank you, be courteous, be polite, and you will be a very good person, a very courteous and polite person. Okay, chalo, now let's see the home assignment. Very easy home assignment. It is only oral work. Okay, no writing. So, how would you greet somebody when you meet them in the morning? Suppose you meet your friend in the morning, what will you say? How would you greet them? Suppose you meet your friend in the afternoon, how will you greet them? In the evening, if you meet your friend, what will you say? At night, if you meet them, what would you say? And when you go back or you say goodbye to your friend at night, what would you say? So, all these things you have to orally say, no need of writing anywhere. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, see you again.